Hello dear, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you are well. I am also well. Today I am going to describe about loan processing or credit proposal system of a bank or a financial institutions. Loan facilities provided by bank or financial institutions for various purposes to develop the financial condition of an individual to reduce unemployment problem of a country or improve the economic circumstances to generate employment, to reduce unemployment problem, and to reduce the poverty or extreme poverty. And that's why various types of financial institutions are financial intermediary or bank, scheduled bank or commercial bank regularly trying to provide loan facilities to a borrower or a client. In loan processing system or to disburse a credit against a borrower, a various type of related terms and conditions are applied by the bank to a borrower. At first, the borrower or client have to know what type of loan product is applicable or favorable for a borrower. If a borrower is be an individual try to take a personal loan from a bank, in that cases a borrower should acquire some necessary documents against loan, such as first the borrower's NID card or passport or driving license or any other ID card which is provided by the central government or the government. And then two or more passport size photograph of individual. In cases personal loan, two third party guarantor requires. In cases the borrower fails to repay the loan, in that cases bank will demand or find out or to communicate with the guarantor to repay the loan. Guarantor personally liable in absence of the borrower, personally liable to pay the loan installment or the outstanding balance or the loan amount. So others document, if the borrower is an individual or maybe a service holder, so employment certificate from the organization where he is continuing his jobs Uh, they will provide an employment certificate against the borrower. And some other requirements, documents needs such as salary certificate, at least 1 year's bank statement, customer information bureau, CIB report should be collected from the bank or financial institutions against the borrower. It will disclose or it is seen by the credit history of an individual or borrower. The borrower will repay the loan or not. Borrower may capable or not, or she or he or borrower will in defaulted default list or not. If the borrower is a defaulter in previous time, so no bank or financial institutions will sanction a loan or overdraft facilities against the borrower. It is very basic knowledge for a loan officer. By taking a lot of documents or all of document collection by the bank, the loan officer or the underwriter will analyze the whole application process or the application. If the loan officer or bank or financial institutions think that the borrower is unclassified or maybe in good positions or good credit history in previous time, so bank will define the loan or overdraft facility will be provided to the borrower or individuals or a client. In that cases, if the manager or loan officers may able to disburse the loan or sanction a limit against the borrower by following the financial power of the branch of or the power of a manager. So manager will disburse or sanction limit or provide a sanction letter against in favor of borrower. If the loan amount is bigger or manager will not may provide a sanction himself from the branch, then the documents, all of the documents with application will send to the higher authority, area office or divisional office or head office management to sanction a sanction or credit limit against in favor of borrower. If the higher authority sanction a credit limit or sanction loan amount to the same borrower or client, the branch will collect the sanction letter. Then the second step will be done to disburse the loan. From the branch or the relationship manager or credit officer or loan underwriter will take necessary steps to disburse the loan, such as proper documentation should be taken against loan. Without documentation, the bank will not open a loan account into the CRM system. At first, proper documentation should be taken from the client or customer or borrower. In personal loan, the documentation type or such document will be a DP note, demand promissory note, letter of disbursement, letter of arrangement, personal guarantee from borrower, third party guarantee from the borrower's third party guarantor, or third party guarantor should be the relative of the borrower or the colleagues of the borrower. If service holder, so the borrower's colleague will be a guarantor, and borrower's family member, I mean husband or wife or family members, any, will be a guarantor, third party guarantor, and should take letter of hypothecation. In some cases, it may be different, depends on the loan. If the borrower may not or is not a service holder, in that cases, maybe the borrower may be or will be a businessman or business holder. In that cases, a bank will demand or collect the such type of document from the businessman or the borrower, such as TIN, tax identification number, trade license, valid trade license from a municipal corporation or city corporation or Purosabha, the granted authority or the valid authority will provide trade license against the borrower's business. Tax return form from a businessman. At least 6 years to above the bank transaction of a current account or savings account. If the loan criteria is SME loan or CMSME loan or working capital, in that cases, the procedure may be differ or will be differ, such as a bank will in the SME loan or CMSME loan or working capital loan, the bank will take mortgage of a fixed asset in favor of bank or financial institutions. The mortgage will be valuable, which has marketability, demand in a market, or the high value in the market. This fixed asset such as building, land, and or fixed asset, in that a bank will take registry mortgage of this fixed asset against financial institutions. So in that cases, The such document may be differ. Letter of continuity should be take, letter of arrangement, demand promissory note, letter of letter of continuity, and letter of hypothecation. And before sanctioning loan or opening a loan account or limit into the CRM, the full mortgage procedure should be completed in favor of bank or a financial institutions. Without taking mortgage, the loan or limit will not be provided in favor of the borrower. And at that time, proper documentation should be completed between borrower and financial institutions. So, the basic documents from a client or customer, we know that NID card, trade license, if applicable, tax certificate, salary certificate, bank statement, CIV report, credit history, and related documents such as utility bill, guarantors, ID card, photograph, and related documents to prove the residentiality of the borrowers and guarantors. The documentation, the proper documentation is very important. After taking full documentation from borrower, then the document will be secured by stamping, proper stamping by government fee. It is very important also. It will reduce the risk against the loan. If the borrower, if the bank or financial institutions may not or will not be able to take proper documentation against the loan, so the loan or the advance will be fall in a risky position. In the long run, some technical or legal problem may create. In that cases, bank will be failed to recover the loan amount by selling the property against the loan while he take registry mortgage in favor of the bank or financial institutions. So proper documentation, a mortgage process successfully should be handled, successfully should be taken from borrower. So the risk will be minimized. We knew that the loan process or the credit process, the loan officer, how to deal with the loan application process. With carefully, a loan officer or relationship manager should handle the whole loan procedure or preparation of a credit proposal. It is very it will be handled very carefully. Thanks a lot. Hope to see you again I hope to see you in next video. I will try my best to deliver my speech on loan and advance. Stay with me. Thanks a lot. Assalamu alaikum.